Hello students, our today's topic is viscosity. Viscosity is the property of fluid. Viscosity is the property of fluid by virtue of which an internal force of friction comes into play. When a fluid is in motion, we know that friction is a force which opposes the relative motion between two bodies. Same as here, we can be considered the fluid remain in the so many layers, and the motion of the fluid uh, remain in so many layers. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो फ्लूइड का फ्लो होता है वो बहुत सारी लेयर्स की फॉर्म में होता है कि अपर लेयर, फिर थोड़ा सा उसकी डाउन लेयर, नेक्स्ट लेयर, सेम एज। तो हम ये मान सकते हैं जैसे एक नदी के फ्लो की हम बात करें तो उसमें सबसे जो ग्राउंड लेयर होगी, ग्राउंड सरफेस के टच में जो लेयर होगी उसको हम किसी कलर से डिफाइन कर लेंगे। दिस इज द बॉटम लेयर ऑफ द रिवर and its velocity will be approximately 0. V is equal to 0 at the contact in the surface, ground surface, and next layer its velocity not 0. V is not equal to 0, it is slightly higher, and same as at the highest level here the flow of water, upper layer, the velocity of water, flow of water is maximum. V will be maximum. It means here because ground surface is stationary, and layer which is contact into the ground surface can be considered as the stationary also. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे ग्राउंड सरफेस से वाटर की वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज होती चली जाएगी when we in upward direction in the river, the velocity of flow of water layer gets increases. So about viscosity, we can say the viscosity is a friction force which opposes the relative motion, which opposes between two layers. वाटर लेयर्स जो दोनों मूव कर रही है उसमें दोनों के रिलेटिव मोशन को जो अपोज करता है दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड विस्कोसिटी फोर्स. द बैकवर्ड ड्रैगिंग फोर्स is called viscous drag, or viscous force. It acts tangentially on the layers of the fluid. It acts tangentially on the layers of the fluid in motion and tends to. The next topic is coefficient of viscosity. This is coefficient of viscosity is defined by the Newton according to this formula that this is a lower layer of water, its velocity is 0. The another layer is at a distance x from here, and the last layer, upper layer, is at a distance dx. According to Newton's law, the force between two layers, the velocity of this layer will be v, and this layer is v plus dv. The force between two layers is directly proportional to the velocity gradient of displacement dv by dx, that is, or you can say f is proportional to dv by dx. The second, this is first point. The second point is directly proportional to area of cross section, area of contact. Force between layers is directly proportional area of contact here, f proportional to a. From first and second, f proportional to a dv by dx, and f is equal to minus a dv by dx. Here negative sign shows the opposition of the velocity. The opposition of the motion of fluid layers, and here neta is the coefficient of viscosity. So we can write the coefficient of viscosity will be equal to f of a dv by dx. If a is 1 meter square and dv by dx equal to 1 unit, it means 1 meter per second upon meter, its unit is in second, then neta will be equal to f. And the coefficient of viscosity of a liquid, coefficient of viscosity of a liquid may be defined as the tangential viscous force required to maintain a unit velocity gradient between two layers. Between two parallel layers. Unit of coefficient of viscosity. Unit of coefficient of, in CGS it is poise. SI unit is decay poise or poise. Is poise Uli or decay poise. It is also called deca poise. It is equal to tan poise.